honestly wish that words or even video could describe how loud this car is on cold start. You always gotta let the boys know you're here. Oh my god. Oh. That's so cool. Oh my god. Sorry, I didn't mean to piss off your neighbors if I did, but oh my god. Looks so good. Dude, I'm so sorry I can't show you guys. I'm gonna back it out into the sun so I can see so I can see it for the first time, but oh my god. Oh. Is it cool? Is it cool? Oh man. Oh my god. Oh. It's good. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. This is like 100 times better than I ever thought it would be. I wish you guys could see this right now. Oh my god. Let it sit out in the sun for about 5 minutes so it goes back to its original shape. Gotta get your new color, baby. I've been sitting here literally just staring at this car for probably the past like 10-15 minutes. I can't wait till tomorrow when I reveal this color to you. You guys can see it for the first time. It's stupid. It's amazing. I just want to say a huge thanks to Get Dip Services. I also want to thank you guys for going to their website. He told me there was a ton of inquiries yesterday from the video I made 2 days ago. A bunch of people asked about getting wrapped and dipped and stuff like that. And I just want to thank you guys because that means a lot to me. When people put so much time, effort, and money into me, I like to think that I could do something for them, and at least you guys emailing them is just really awesome. Tomorrow I will for sure showcase how amazing of work that they do, but I'm excited. Lately there's been so much going on, so much that I've been just so stoked about, and I'm finally making progress and moving forward with my cars. I hope that it's coming through in the videos, but I've been so excited and just so happy with what's been going on lately. And true happiness obviously does not come from material things, it never will, but it's nice when things just start kind of panning out though. I'm sure you guys can relate to that, and I hope that the content I'm making is reflecting that. Now let's get home. I've got some wheels to test fit on the Evo. We're moving fast with this car, boys. I don't know if you guys are ready, but we're gonna get some new rims. Just wait. Just wait. Bro, I cannot describe enough how excited, just how happy I am with how this garage turned out. Today, we got some custom inky wheels to put on the Evo. These wheels are cool. I'm gonna use these once I burn out the fronts of my other ones. I'm gonna use these for the drift car, especially on the front because I really need a low offset wheel so that I can get max angle. We've got some custom NKs back there that have literally been sitting in a box for probably, actually a little over a year now. Let's get it, boys. Basically, this says you got some rims in here, and they're gonna be tight. Oh my God, these are some big boys. My OGs should already know what this wheel is, but this is gonna be kind of a tribute and throwback to the STI, Huge shout out to NK Wheels for these. I've been waiting to put these on something for such a long time, but these are 10.5 inches wide all the way around, baby. That's a big meat. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's no reason to ever torque your wheels on at like 200 foot-pounds. Oh my God. Now I want to make clear before we get going, this is just a test fit video. The wheels that I have, I know will fit, I know they'll look really good, but the big problem with Evos is Brembo clearance. So I'm testing to see if one, I need a spacer, and I'm testing two, to see how meaty or not meaty of a tire I need to get. I'm wanting to get some really good tires, even though this thing's probably going to be slammed. This is what it's like. My phone, literally every day. Today we're gonna be testing some new wheels on this. I'm gonna use these for my drift car because they have a really nice low offset. I believe these are 18 by 9.5 plus 15. And the other ones I'm about to put on are 18 by 10.5 plus 30. So we're gonna see about Brembo clearance, and we're gonna make sure that everything's all good to go. Need to get rid of these little ricer lug nuts too. I've never been a fan of these. Everyone and their moms has a key for one of these. So it's not like you're helping yourself by using these. Scoot it! Oh, these are kind of heavy. These Brembos are massive. Wow, this is so nice. I'm not a huge fan of the drilled and slotted rotors, but it does look kind of nice. I did have some slotted and dimpled ones on my STI, and I actually believe that these are going in the wrong direction. It doesn't matter. I've also got Fortunato coilovers, and I'm pretty sure these are fairly new. I was gonna get brand new Fortunatos, but I don't think I need to because I'm pretty sure these are like brand new. These are nice and wide. They do poke outside the fender. They're just a tad wider than the other ones. Y'all ready to see what wheel it is? Say hello to the throwback NT03, baby. Ooh. Ooh, that's clearance, boy. That's some clearance, boy. Dude, we got like a whole, we got a crap ton of clearance right here. Oh, but, that's like dangerously close to the coilover though. Wow, that's actually super, super close to the coil. I'm gonna get it bolted up and we'll see. We'll see how it goes. 10.5 might be a little too wide for this baby. And I'm not sure what happened here, but somebody had a fun time. I can't really talk because I did the same thing to my Subaru. I don't give a heck what anybody says. I absolutely love these wheels. These are my favorite wheels of all time. And I think it's just so fitting for this chassis. My big concern is that back here, I think it might hit the coilover a little bit. I mean, I can barely fit my finger back there, and that's kind of scary. So I probably will need at least a 5 to 10 millimeter spacer. I could definitely do that, but I'm gonna have to roll the fenders, which I'm gonna have to do anyways. That'll essentially make this just a stupid low offset wheel. I am going to leave that how it is and fit the rears on because I gotta see how, obviously they're gonna clear the brakes back here, but I also want to see how close these wheels are going to be to the back coilovers. Look what was in this. It's a freaking death bush. I have plenty of space between it. I have at least an inch or two. It looks like it's not gonna touch it might, there's control arm set up. Gets pretty close to that. It looks like everything else, and obviously clears this tiny little brake back here. So it looks okay, but I think just for safe measure, I'm gonna do a little bit more research and see what other Evo owners have done with this specific wheel. But damn, boy! I've got some really thick packing blankets to set these little boys on. Let's get this thing lowered and see how she gonna be. Hold up. Yeet, yeet. This is like my favorite thing ever. It was always being used at TJ's shop too, so now it's mine again. I'm so stoked. Oh, okay. Oh, it's just so good. These are going to be so incredibly fat with some meats, and what's great is I can probably put some like 275s on here and call it a day. That is gonna be extra thick. I might have to get something under my wing that says extra thick. Oh, that is a great idea. That's a great idea. I need a sticker that says extra thick. So I did get scared for a minute because this side of the quick jack was not jacking up. I think the hydraulic pump right here is not quite to 50 PSI like it's supposed to be. I had to jack it up and then jack it up halfway, and then it ended up finally pushing up. That kind of scared me a little bit. I do love bronze, and I gotta say these fit really well, but I have to admit they're just not wide enough for what I'm wanting to do. For now, these fit nicely, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and keep them on the car. But damn, dude, I just love the way these look, and it's a throwback to my STI. If you guys haven't watched long enough, my STI used to have 18 by 9.5 plus 27 NTO3 plus M's. Those actually will not work on these because they don't clear Brembo, so you have to have like a 10 mil spacer. But these being 10.5 inches wide, I am kind of concerned that they're gonna bonk the coilovers a little bit. We will see, boys. I think we could make it work though. 10 millimeters is only about maybe the size of my fingernail right there. So it would only stick about that much further out, which means we could probably run like a 265 or even a 255 on this 10.5. 265 to be safe, to not stretch too much, and that would be okay. I'd say we have maybe a solid ½ inch of gap right here. That's just not okay. I need at least a 10 millimeter spacer, and even with that 10 millimeter spacer, maybe even a 15 mil spacer, but I don't want to do anything more than that. But they look so tight. I'm gonna put the old ones back on for now, obviously, because I don't have tires on these. But boy, I'm telling you what, these look damn good. Obviously a lot to consider, so I'm gonna take my time on this and make sure I make the really right decision. I'm gonna say goodbye to these wheels because I really want these on my Lexus. A huge shout out to NK Wheels. They have no idea I'm making this video, but I always like to give a special thanks to those who helped me out. So thank you to NK Wheels, and also a huge thanks to Get Dip Services. Tomorrow I'm going to pick up the JZ Lexus, and I hope you guys are excited for the unveiling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys later for some more modifications videos. I just ordered some more mods for the Evo. It's gonna get crazy. Peace out, boys, and be victorious. You already know. I got 2 videos. You guys know the drill, baby. I got 2 videos sitting right in front of you. And you know what? If you listen to me say this every day and you don't do it, shame on you. I got tons of videos for you to watch. So sit your butt down, get some popcorn, and start watching.